Architecture by Kristin and Duncan Gandolfo. Architecture started in Mesopotamia and Egypt in the 4th millennium BC. In Egypt, rulers constructed pyramids, shrines, and temples. Then around 850 BC, the rise of ancient Greece and Roman Empire began. Calm styles and adequate architecture were made. Then in 527, Roman architecture became a graceful style that began using detailed architecture such as Rome deuce and brick instead of stone. Then Rome spread across Egypt, creating structures that were built with rounded, bulky arches. Then castles and churches were made with thick walls. Then a few decades passed, and in 1905, Gothic ideas were mixed into structures. Lastly, in our present day, architecture became more modernized with computerized structures.
Hey, Duncan.
Oh, hey, Kristin.
What's up? I heard you were an architect and I figured you could answer some of my questions about the career.
Well, sure. What questions did you have in mind?
I was wondering what exactly you'd have to do on a daily basis in order to be an architect.
Well, Kristin, the daily duties of my job consists of communication, researching, designing, and drafting. I spend most of my time managing projects. Sometimes my job can be stressful because I work under a time deadline and I always have to finish my work on time.
Oh, that's very interesting. Do you have to be creative in order to be a successful architect?
Oh, why, yes, you must be. In order to make the clients as happy as possible, you must be able to adhere to their needs and wants.
About how much research do you have to do to be an architect?
I research a lot to make sure building codes are correct and that I order the right materials in order to complete the job.
Dang, that's cool. If I wanted to be an architect, what kind of educational requirements would I have to have?
In order to be an architect, you must earn a professional degree in architecture. This could take 2 to 5 years depending on what kind of degree you want. It seems like a lot, but architecture becomes fun.
So other than like educational things, what kind of, do you have to have some sort of license?
Actually, yes. You must complete a period of practical training or internship and pass all of the divisions of architect registration examination in order to receive a license.
Wow, that's so cool. Thank you for answering my questions. You helped me a lot.
Of course, have a good day.
Bye, you too.
Most jobs of an architect are in architectural and engineering firms. Some exact architects' jobs include a landscape architect. These people design golf courses, malls, and campuses to make them look gorgeous and functional. Landscape architects' median annual pay in 2014 was $64,570. Another job is an architectural drafter. They turn an architect's design into an actual image to show the client. Architectural drafters' median pay in 2014 was $49,970. Also, you could be an environmental engineer. They use chemistry and biology science knowledge to fix environmental problems with a project. Their median pay in 2014 was $83,360.
A professional organization found in architecture is the American Institute of Architects, or AIA.
The first well-known project we have is the Falling Water.
That was created by Frank Lloyd Wright.
Roman Coliseum.
The Eiffel Tower, located in Paris, France. Burj Khalifa, located in Dubai, the tallest building in the world.
You know it. The Seattle Space Needle.
Whoa!
Ancient pyramids.
located in Giza, Egypt.
There is a landscape architecture job opening in Atlanta under the branch of Hamilton Services, Incorporated. They specialize in high-finish residential projects. The daily duties include designing the project based on the client's wants and managing a relationship with the client. The requirements include having a bachelor's degree in landscape architecture, 2 to 3 years of experience, great plant knowledge, and having hand and drawing skills. It is a full-time job.
Some well-known architectural companies and firms are located all over the world, and some are housing upward of 1,000 architects in that one firm. The top 5 architectural firms each have this amount of architects. ADAS is a Chinese and British company that has 1,078 architects as of 2012. Nikken Seikei is a Japanese company with 1,109. IBI Group in Canada has 1,129 in their firm. And the top 2 companies located in the USA are Gensler and Acom, which each have 1,300 plus in their firms.
Hey!
Thanks for watching! So before you go, we have some interesting facts. Today Architecture was a book written to give details of the beauty and details of architecture in the year 15 BC.
Architecton is the Greek derivative of the word architecture, meaning chief builder.
Storms caused the Empire State Building to rock back and forth over several feet.
Did you know the Eiffel Tower receives a new coat of paint every 70 years? This requires a whopping 300 tons of paint.
To get to the top of the torch of the Statue of Liberty, you have to walk up 403 steps, but it's worth it to see the view.
Wow!
Thank you!
Thanks for
Bye.
watching!
Eiffel Tower, located in
Burj Khalifa.
located in Dubai. Oh my god.
The Seattle Space Needle. So I personally joined this class because I heard about it at freshman orientation, and then my friend Catherine Hall joined it, and she was like, "You should take it." So I took it.
I joined this class. I learned about it in freshman orientation as well, but I changed schools. So when I came back, I wasn't able to take this class. That's why I took it this year. I joined it because I like to vision things in my head and then like draw them on paper. And so I'm a big fan of architecture, and I would maybe like to pursue that as a career one day.
I don't know if I would, but I'll figure it out. From our projects, it's a maybe. I'm not sure yet though.
Yeah.
Duncan.
It's hard.
Hey, thanks for watching.
But before you go, we have some interesting facts. The day.
Hurry, Duncan.
All right, here.